Okay guys, welcome back to my channel, and tonight is Saturday night and I'm up in this kitchen getting this fish ready for tomorrow. And this is grouper head fish. I have two fishes here, two heads here, and they've been soaking in lime juice for about an hour. So I'm just cutting off this. The guy cleaned it really good. I liked how he cleaned it, so I'm just gonna wash this off. As you can see, these are some nice beautiful pieces of fish right here. And yeah, so I'm just gonna wash this off. Like I said, they've been soaking in lime juice. I cut 3 limes and put it in there, and I've been soaking them for about an hour or more. So have some pieces like this. It's a nice fish, very fleshy. I use this fish to make like soup, and I love it curry. Curry is the best way for me to eat this, or even brown stew. This is one of my favorite fish, and it has some big bones in there. You guys can see right here, those big bones. Yeah. So it is, you know, the eye don't matter to me. I'll eat that. So give this one more rinse. Then I already have cut up 2 onions, ginger, garlic, couple sprigs of thyme, and a half a Scotch bonnet pepper. I'm raising it up so some of that water can come out. And this is going to be for Sunday dinner. Okay, so now that this fish is all clean, it's looking real nice. Let me put some more light on it. Hope it's not too much light. Okay, so now that it's all cleaned, washed, and clean, it wasn't that much to do because the guy that did it, even though he took so long and I was getting really annoyed, but he did a great job with cleaning it. So I don't have that much to do. As you can see, he cut them in different sizes. That's one size right there with less bone. Then you have this piece right here, and this go real good with some dumpling, some food. We call food like dumpling, yam, but I might end up doing mine with rice and peas. So let me see if I have any more water. My daughter said because she love it with food. You see? Yeah, I still have some more water. Okay. So what I'm going to do now is, and when you mix this up, you have to be really careful because them bones is no joke whatsoever. Okay. So hold on, y'all. My camera is not cooperating. Hold on, I'll be back. Alright guys, so I'm back. So in this bowl you have like 4 big cloves of garlic. I cut them real big, and then ginger, thyme, pepper, and onion. So I dump all this in here. You know, you have to season your meat, make sure that it's nice and seasoned, so when you know you or your family eat it, don't taste blah blah. Some black pepper. It's a lot, and you know fish have to have pepper. So pepper, and then I'm gonna add some of my Jamaican seasoning to it. I'm not gonna add any curry until tomorrow when I burn my curry. Now how that go already. I'm going to add, if we can't find it, you see how I go, some cumin, some Jamaican cumin. Well, no, this is ground cumin, but I'm gonna add some. I'm gonna show you what it is. This right here, ground masala. I'm gonna add some of this on there, but it's in a jar. I can't find the jar. Hold on there. Okay, me see it. No, I don't hit that either. Look for what it is. Look at oh, see it here. I find it. See, now one jar. Okay, so I'm gonna add some of this to it. I set the curry off to the 10 power. And then I'm gonna add onion powder, but some onion powder. I'm going between because I don't have to season the meat, you know, especially you know, left it overnight, it have to season. So the meat soak up all of that season, and then tomorrow when you're cooking out it tastes good. That's what I'm used to. And that's it. I'm not put nothing else in there. Alright, so we're just gonna work this in. Make sure so everything get rub up. Like I said, be careful because this is fish with the bone. So I'm probably all over the place, see? Just have to take my time and just move around it because when fish bone juke you, it hurt, and it hurt for days. So just be careful when you do this part. Okay, it's so big I can hardly do it. And my camera stand is just being a hater. Okay, see him there. I can smell the cumin, I can smell the ground masala and the pepper come through right now because I mix it up. So curry for be spicy, fish for have flavor, fish for have spice. So I just saw this one I got tonight. I'm not even worry about if it's spicy, because if it tastes good I have spice. But no one no bland food. Tastes like I say. Who are cooking and no taste bud. Just have to work like this. That pepper strong, my blood bleed. Yo, okay, so see it here. Look a bit of Jamaican phone. This is my grouper head. 2 grouper heads I have here for you guys, and this is going to sit in the fridge overnight, and then I'll be back tomorrow to show you how I curry my grouper head. Okay guys, welcome back. So today is Sunday and I'm going to go ahead and start my fish. So my pot is hot, really hot. And then what I'm going to do now is sprinkle some curry in here so I can burn the curry. See, the oil is hot. Okay, and while that is going, I'm going to go ahead and put my coconut cream in. I'm going to make a lot of mess today, I can tell. And I have a white shirt. Don't do that. I'm trying to get this last piece out. And then now what I'm going to add some water because this is close to burning. So see? Don't mess up the kitchen. Add some water. This is really burned. Pass me meat. Then what I'm gonna do is the fish from last time, just gonna place these in here. It doesn't matter which way, just long as you put it in. Thank you, Mama. And the mistake that I made was my flame was too high. My pan was way too hot today. That's the mistake I made with this one. But it's okay, the show must go on. Can you get Mommy the color, please, baby? And all the liquid and everything, I'm just gonna pour it in here. I'm gonna get some more water and just rinse out the bowl that the meat was in for all that seasoning. This is hot water. Hot water. And I'm gonna pour some more water on here. I'm not gonna mess with it as yet. I'm just gonna let it sit here and steam up a little bit, and then I'll come back and show you guys. Okay, family, so this is how my fish is coming out. I just added some more water to it so it can get the bubbling, and also the coconut cream can get to melt out real good. I'm gonna taste it in another 10 minutes or so to see how it tastes. Add seasoning if you want more seasoning, add pepper if you want more pepper, but as for right now, this is how it look, and I'm happy with how it turned out. All this need right now is some food or some white rice, which you put on in a second because I cook basmati rice and that not take long to cook. You see it? So this is how it is. See the consistency? You see how it yellow, bright, nice. So yeah, next time you guys will probably see me I'll be plating, because this is not a kind of fish that take long, and it's very fleshy and it break apart real quick. So I'll see you next time when I plate. Okay guys, so this is the finished product. My curry grouper head. You have my pumpkin, 2 dumplings, and a piece of yam, and it looks so delicious. Okay, until next time, please don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment, and turn on your post notifications so every time I upload a video you see and you know. And until next time, bye bye.